Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Option Pit, the morning stock market and volatility report. Designed Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you. This handsome guy is Mark, talking about trading options better. Look at our mentoring packages. I think we're going to do a Saturday class soon on ratio spreading. You know, buy one, sell two, or buy two, sell one. That kind of deal. Trying to make a simple Saturday class for people that want to understand that trade concept. So anyway, if you have any questions on any of this, Andrew at optionpit.com, or just check out our stuff. So what's going on today? Well, so we had some, I would say we had like the 1-2 punch as far as the market rally. We have a positive tweet that we got about a few minutes ago, a positive tweet about Z and Trump meeting at the G20. So that's a date that we can talk about in our regular chat room. But it sent a SPY off to the races. And once again, you notice the crazy rally with the less than enthusiastic reaction from VIX. I've actually been watching August Premium in SPX, SPY, and it's not really going down. So like the rate cut thing, it's a big deal, and it's not going away. Also the trade deal, so all that stuff is really big. We got this huge rally on also the EU, is all these negative interest rates, through social media, for financial social media. Negative interest rates are all over Europe. And again, I don't know how this is all going to play out in the long run, but like, where do you go? More negative interest rates? It's kind of dumb at this point. So for whatever reason, the market's still in suspended disbelief, but this is the kind of stuff that drives equity prices higher. Things I'm looking at, 2,900 time spreads or 290, the 290 strike in the SPY even for this week, because the Fed is going to talk tomorrow, maybe even next week. I'll look at that. Other stuff that's moving around a little bit. Apparently, Facebook is now a crypto stock. It's up, what, 15 bucks in a week? So that thing has just taken off like gangbusters. We'll look at that in the chat room. So as far as that kind of stuff, but VIX itself is not moving a whole lot. Normally with this kind of a rally, we would see like a 13 handle in the VIX, and we're not. So I still think the market is a little more volatile than normal. It's still very news dependent, and none of that is going away in the short term. I feel like all of these runs up, we are somewhat fadeable. The 2,900 strike does not look bad to do it. As far as like buying put time spread or something like that. There's actually some vol in tomorrow's, if you go to SPX here, there's actually a little vol in the 2,900 for tomorrow. I see that as I'm looking at these spreads. So 29, yep. So they're kind of hanging right around there, like 440, 450. I like that as a time spread, maybe a junk call to hedge, but just only, like, you're hedging the 4-handle rallies at this point. You're not hedging like the 1-point rallies, because that's really not what we're getting. It's either crazy news or basically nothing. So anyway, that's what it looks like as far as that goes, right? Because tomorrow would be Fed, and oh my gosh, they're going to cut early or something like that. So any surprise would launch us into the stratosphere like that. So I think that's kind of the trade that you'd be looking at. But as far as this goes, VIX not really responding into this big rally once again, which is a little, again, it's always troublesome when it doesn't do that. All right, everybody, have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.